Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes, Understanding Quadrilaterals. In this chapter, look at the question number 48. Four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3, 4, 5, 6. Find its angle. Okay, based on the given ratio, the four angles, angle 1, or take this as A, B, C, D, angle A, angle A is equal to 3x, angle B is equal to 4x, angle C is equal to 5x, angle D is equal to 6x. Okay, so here sum of the angle in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so we can write 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x. This is equal to 360 degree. Okay, solve x. So here 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So this is equal to 18x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so now ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೂ 18 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x is equal to 360 degree divided by 18. Okay, so x is equal to 18 ones are 18, 18 20s are 360 degree. Okay, so x is equal to 20 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈಚ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3x. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 3 into 20 degree is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 4x. So 4 into 20 degree. So this is equal to 80 degree. Angle C is equal to 5x. So 5 into 20 degree is equal to 100 degree. So angle D is equal to 6x. 6 into 20 degree. So this is equal to 120 degree. Okay. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ angles ಏನಾಯ್ತು 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree. Okay. Thank you.